Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So for this video, I figured I'd do something more personal, do a vlog style video since I have been doing more sit down videos lately. So I figured we'd start off this video with a little haul because I actually went to the store yesterday and I got a bunch of good deals. So the first thing I got was this top, and it's super cute. It has like this v-neck right here, and then it has puffy little sleeves, and then it's like tight at the bottom, and it has a little flowy line at the bottom. It's very cute, and I feel like it'll be super cute for this season. I definitely will put this in another video if I do a spring outfits ideas part 2 or summer outfits ideas. I'll definitely incorporate this one in it. So I kind of made the screen a little darker so you can see the dress a little better. But it's like a really cute spring Easter dress, and it was $5. So like, why not? I can do a photo shoot with it, or I can go to church with it. And the next one is probably my favorite. I got this little top for the summer. It looks like not even a top, but it is. It basically has like little sleeves on the sides, and then it like wraps around your chest right there. It's very cute, off the shoulder type of thing. I definitely will wear this with like denim shorts or denim jeans. It's definitely super cute. And you're gonna see this in the summer or spring whenever it's warm on my Instagram. Now the next thing that I got is another dress, and my mom actually picked this out because she was like, it's $5, why not? So it's actually a very cute blue dress. I can just wear it to dinner or anything like that. Super cute, open in the back, flowy on the bottom, super cute top. Only $5, you can't beat it. It also has a bra padding built in, so perfect. And then the last thing that I got was another top. Super cute. It has these sleeves that are so cute, and they like are crimped around the wrist and on the bottom, so it's really cute, and the pattern is super cute. Look at that. It's definitely a dinner date type of vibe. So that was just like a little haul because I obviously couldn't put it in like one specific video because I didn't have a lot that I got, but I just wanted to show you guys because I got a few things that were on sale and had great deals, and I'm definitely gonna wear them this season. Now I am probably just going to chill out, maybe do some editing, but I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, but I just got up and got ready in this cute outfit with some jeans and this crop top and this scrunchie from Honeybee Scrunchies, which is so cute, and I keep talking about it because it's just so cute and it goes with everything I wear because I always wear black and white. But today I'm actually making some muffins for breakfast. I have to film a video and edit a video and do some schoolwork. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them muffins in the oven. So I actually have a little bit of like editing to do on a video. It's not really editing, it's pretty much just doing the final touches for the video that's going out today. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. I just finished like the little touches that I was talking about. I think I'm gonna do some Instagram pictures today, so that means I have to do makeup. I don't love that, but yeah, let's go ahead and get out the muffins and then do my makeup. I really don't like filming in here because the lighting is so warm and it like makes the camera look like this is like an orange room. I'm just doing like my daily everyday makeup. If you guys want to see like my no makeup look, I actually just filmed one like a week or so ago. I don't know, something like that. I'll link it in the top of the screen to pop up so you guys can check it out after this one. On a day-to-day basis, I do makeup in here, but filming wise, I film outside of this room because it's so warm. feel like I want to dye my eyebrows again because I was going through a phase where I dyed my eyebrows like all the time and I hardly ever filled them in. And I really want that back, but my eyebrows got so dry, like the skin underneath them was flaking and it was really nasty and unhealthy for my skin. But at the same time, they looked so good that I was like fine with it. I just washed my brushes and like they're so clean that I feel like I bought new brushes, you know? Cute. So I just went ahead and made my coffee. What I do is I take a cup with some ice and then I take my caramel macchiato coffee delight that's already made that you can buy, and then I mix it. Sometimes I mix it with French vanilla creamer, but sometimes not. And then I usually take some syrup or chocolate syrup and I mix it in there to make it pretty, and it honestly tastes really good with it. And then sometimes you don't have to, but you can take a caramel mix as well and put it in there, and it tastes really, really good if the mix doesn't have enough caramel to your liking. But that is how I make like my coffee, my iced coffee when I want it. I honestly have like once a month one of those because they're super sweet, super unhealthy, and I feel like I don't feel too great after I drink those just because it's a lot of caffeine. But yeah, I just wanted to share that little recipe with you guys. I just like finished editing a video for like 2 hours. I was sitting at my desk, and that's honestly how my video editing goes. I just sit there, I type, I look at the video, rewatch it, cut clips. If you want more in-depth on how I edit my videos, definitely put that in the comments down below because I will do that for you guys. But it really has been an uneventful day because I've just been editing. I've really been trying to keep my schedule and like my promise of 2 videos a week because that honestly has been going great. So yeah, let's go ahead and take some pictures for Instagram. I feel like I really need to trim my hair. It's really been getting some dead ends or split ends in it, and it's so long. I'm really just gonna get like an inch off, but yeah, I think I'm actually gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chill vlog with me, day in the life type of thing, and I definitely will come out with some more interesting content soon. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in a few days. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. Cut. Focus. Okay, look. Eyebrow edges.